Now, so we're in outdoors now, and today we are gonna make the science experiment. And we have our suits over here, and we have our goggles, science goggles in here too. But Cindra doesn't have science goggles, so we give her swimming pool goggles. Sorry. Alright, so we're gonna do a science experiment, and we're gonna make snow. So we have things for to make the snow, and let's start it up. Before I start it, I need some more things for covering up my shirt. This is white, so I don't want to mess it up. So let's do some magic and get some raincoat though. Alright? 3, 2, 1. Wow! Okay, we have our raincoat and it's green. But I would like to say sorry for the both of you. I don't have any raincoats for magic. I'm sorry. Now, we have all the things we have for the snow, to make the snow, and we have our guest over here. We have Ping Pong.
Dinosaur.
Yeah, there's the dinosaur too. Say hi. Hi.
You eat grass every time. I like to eat grass.
Yes, and Ping Pong has also met Baby Shark too. Baby Shark is her friend.
Baby shark.
You know Baby Shark? Do I have to sing the song again for you? Okay, fine. Let's sing the song. Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. Mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark. Daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark. Are you okay? No, it won't come out if you put your... So I think there's a lot of ingredients over here. So we're gonna get rid of everything and put the only ingredient we need to do for the snow. So let's do a magic. It will take a lot of time, right? 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we are going to bake the snow by using an absorbent resin and fruit colorings and 3 cups, 1 spoon, and some 60 ml of water. Alright, so let's give some cups for them too. Alright, 3. Let's count. 1 for you, 2 for me, 3 for you. There you go, there you go. And now we need to use the absorbent resin. Okay, put your goggles on. Oh, yeah. Are you done? Alright, let's do it. Let's take out the outdoor resin. Ooh. Okay, so little bit of it. Alright. And put it on. Alright, there you go. Okay, I think that's enough for you. And some for you too. There you go. Okay, we're done with the absorbent resin. And now, all we need to do is to pour the water of 20 ml. Okay?
There you go.
Okay. Just this one up, so you go to the tea too. Alright, let's pour the water and see what happens. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Are you seeing these guys?
Wow!
Ooh. Oh my god. Does this become like snow?
Let me see.
There you go, look.
Ooh. Wow! Wow, this is amazing.
Yes, look at it. Ooh.
Amazing!
Snow, snow, snow. Alright, now, alright, so let's see how the snow is when I put it in Tupperware. Ooh, whoa, whoa. There you go. In you go, snow. This is so much fun.
Can I
You can touch your snow. But wait, let me touch mine. Ooh, it's soft. Nice. Ooh.
Wow, this is so
You want to touch?
yes.
Okay.
Oh, so nice.
Yes. Now for them, let's use some fruit coloring. Okay? Let's see. Alright,
Please.
what color do you want?
I like green.
Alright, there we go. Let's take green and pour some few drops. Okay? There we go. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, 10
Can I
drops.
pour it?
No, now. You need to mix it.
Can I mix it myself?
Okay, mix yourself. There you go. Nice.
There we go.
Good one. Good job.
Can I
Okay. Pour it slowly. Ooh, there you go. Wow. Look at it. Ooh. Okay. Let's mix and see.
Can I mix it?
Yeah, here you go. Mix it.
Hey, wow, it's already snow.
Yes, it's already been white and green. A little bit. It's very fun. Alright,
more
let's
color.
add some more color though. It's still white. Alright, let's add some 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, let me mix it.
There you go. Just keep mixing it. Oh, don't make a mess. Let me mix it. Let me help you with that. Okay, so let's see that one is gonna put inside in here. Let's put it. Okay,
I need some more. Give me the spoon.
alright. Smash it. Good one.
So,
Now it's Cindra's turn. Now Cindra, what color do you want?
wait.
Oh, you want your snow red? Okay. There you go. Let's put it. Okay. 10 drops. Let's see. There we go. Come on out. Come on out. Why is it coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There we go. 10 drops. Okay, now you no not now. You need to mix it first. Okay,
Okay.
mix the color. All right. Good job. Now you have to pour it in your absorbent resin. Okay. Careful. There you go. Wow.
Amazing! Wow, I think those Cinderella's so wow!
Yes. Ooh. Whoa, it's still white though, but it looks so beautiful. Wow.
This one is made out.
No, it's okay. Now this is beautiful. All right, so
I like my color.
let's
so
add some little bit more drops, okay? All right. One, come on out. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. All right, now put it inside with the other snow. Okay, good girl. Let's see. Ooh. There you go. Oh. Okay. Put it inside slowly. All right. There you go. All right. So let's mix it with our hands. In you go. Ooh. It's really soft.
I think they're going to come black color.
There you go. Put your hand on it.
Wow.
Beautiful. Nice. Ooh. I've never touched the snow before, but this is nice. Alright, so let's add some little bit color though. Alright, what color do you want? Whoa, wait.
Pink and red.
No, we had red already, so let's use different. Alright. What color do you want?
I want blue and red.
No, one.
Blue, that's all.
Alright. You want blue. Okay. What color do you want?
I want purple.
Okay, you purple. Alright, put your goggles on. How many times I have to tell you? And I will go with orange. Okay?
Orange is my favorite color.
Alright, let's put our color together. Okay?
Guys, my orange is my favorite color. Never mind everything
Alright.
else is orange. That's my bunny is orange.
Yep, okay. So let's put our color together, okay? There you go. Slowly. One, two. That's a good job. 3, 4, 5. Alright, let's have a mix first though. There you go, mix it with a spoon. Ooh,
Mix it up.
I can just see a little spot though. Mix it.
Okay.
Nice. Good job. Alright, now it's my turn. I'll put my orange. Here we go. Let's put some lot though.
And put lots.
Okay. Alright, mix it. Now mix it. Mix it, okay?
Orange.
Wow.
Smart.
It's beautiful.
Can I mix myself and my color?
Okay. Now it's your turn.
My turn.
Alright, put your blue color inside.
Give me a spoon too.
Okay.
I see the spoon here. I have the spoon.
Alright. Put your blue color in. Ooh, it's too much. Okay guys, so this is our snow and we've done our experiment 1. So we're going to do experiment 2. So stay right there. And let's go to experiment 2.
1, 2.
Yeah, go. Hey guys, welcome back to the science experiment 2. Alright, now this, we are going to make a fountain, alright?
Fountain, guys. It's a fountain.
So, we're gonna make fountain by using 2 waters over here.
Wait.
One with 40 ml and one with where is it?
Wait,
Oh yeah,
wait.
80 ml though. Alright, so for fountain, we're gonna need some baking soda, citric acid, detergent, and red color food coloring too, alright? Alright, so we're gonna put it in here and the fountain is gonna be coming inside of the bottle. Alright, so first of all, let's do it by this water. Okay, with 80 ml. Alright, so first of all, we're gonna need put some citric acid in it. Okay, so let's start. There we go. Alright, we're gonna use like 3 teaspoons of citric acid, okay? So let's do it, okay? 1, okay, 2, 3. Alright, I had a little bit more, okay, 5, alright. Okay, we're done with the citric acid. And the next one we need to do is stir it, okay? Stir a little bit. Ooh. Alright, stir it until it's all even. Alright, and then next we need to add 10 drops of detergent. Alright, okay, here we go. We need to press it, come out, voila, there we go. Alright, there you go. 2, 3, little bit more than 11, 12. Okay. Let's stir it. Okay. Alright, we're done stirring it. There we go. Okay. So we're done stirring it. Now let's add some food coloring. The red color. Alright. There we go. Smile. Yeah, good. Always need a smile when you're doing something great. Okay, let's add some 5 drops. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. There we go. We stir it until it's all even. You already stir it. So next, all we need to do is pour it in this bottle over here. Alright. Would you like to do it? Alright, we're gonna use this funnel and put it on top here. And now, Mr. Siddharth, you are going to pour this inside. Okay? So slowly, here we go. Ooh, good job. Alright, there we go. And the next thing you need to do is add sweet beans, baking soda, and this water over here. Okay? Oh, this is citric acid. This is baking soda. My bad. Okay. There we go. Baking soda. And we add some 3 spoons of it. Okay. Here we go. 1. Another 1. 2.
Too enough or too much?
Okay, last little bit. 3. Okay, and let's stir it. Okay. And when we put the baking soda inside, it's going to come out the fountain. Okay. So you are gonna pour it, but make sure you pour it faster. Okay. Because it will come very fast. Alright.
Can you pour it for me?
You don't want to pour it? It's okay. Let's pour it together. Alright. Alright. Hold this. Alright. We're gonna pour fast, and I'm gonna take this thing out quickly. Alright. Ready? Get ready, guys. Are you ready? Alright. 3, 2, 1. That was so fast. Oh my God.
See that or not, guys?
Wow.
That just fly and come.
Wow. Experiment 2 complete.
Yes.
Wow. God. Oh. Oh my God. Wow.
Hey.
Oh my God. Wow.
Oh. I mean, oh, my glasses.